Hello and welcome to Computer Tech and More. Today I'm talking about kitchen kind of safety with grabbing hot pots. So originally I had these cotton style ones, and obviously this one got stuck on the burner and got a little hole burnt in it, but I still use it as a hot pad for on the kitchen table. It came as a set, these smaller ones, and then after that one wore out, I purchased two other types. A cotton one with these rubber lines on it, and this pure silicone one. Now, this is sort of like the cotton one. The advantage of this type is that you get really good feel on picking up objects. It bends easily, it grabs on easily, and the rubber lines on it really help grab onto things. But the problem with it is you really still feel the heat of whatever pan that you're picking up if it's hot. And if it gets wet, it'll still get hot, very hot. So that's where the silicone style one comes in. Notice that it covers my arm a lot more than the other one. Now, my problem with the silicone one is that it's smoother. It doesn't grab on as well, but I can plunge it into a hot liquid, at least up till that point, and my hand is protected. It doesn't get wet, unless of course there's a crack in the silicone, then it's time to replace it. And it takes longer for the heat to transmit through the silicone into this cotton style padding on the inside before your hand gets hot. So it gives you extra time for cooking up like hot crock pots or something like that, or reaching into the oven. So this is really the type to get. I would largely not get the cotton style anymore. But most hot pads, I would recommend getting ones that have these little table covers or smaller pots. They come with it. And then the last thing is for the kitchen table. So this is silicone, and these beads help lift it off the table, and it creates an air pocket in there so that it doesn't transmit heat as efficiently onto the table. But going back to the hot pads just one more time, you can see kind of how the size looks. That silicone one really does cover a lot more of the arm. And so, yeah, I would recommend getting silicone ones unless you know you're not having to reach into anything that's holding hot liquid. If you're not dealing with anything liquidy, like stews or pots, these are sufficient. But again, stews and other things like reaching into get out like turkey, or I've done roast duck and it gets very greasy and splattery. I actually almost burn myself using older one like that. So the silicone one really is a lifesaver. It keeps you from getting bad burns. But that's all I really have to say about this topic at this time. I hope you all enjoyed and have a great day.